Okay, this is 2.5, determining the midpoint of a line. This is kind of a cool thing to do. It's a fun thing to do. But before we do that, let's do some try these. 20 centimeters divided by 2, well, that's just equal to 10 centimeters. 8.5 divided by 2, well, you might need your calculator for that. So let's just get the calculator out right here. Move it over here. Let's do 8.5 divided by 2. And we get 4.25. 4.25. Another fast way to do this is just take the number 8 divided by 2 is 4, and take 0.5 divided by 2, you get 0.25. So you can do some of this stuff in your head. 14 inches divided by 2 is just 7 inches, and 25.5 inches divided by 2, well, that's 25.5. So we can take our calculator right here and do 25.5 divided by 2, and we get 12.75. 12.75 inches. Okay? Or we might want to write that down as 12 3/4 inches, because we know decimal 75 is the same as 3/4. Okay? All right, so determining the midpoint of a line. This is kind of a fun thing to do. So you're going to need a compass, and you're going to need a ruler, because the way you can find the midpoint of a line with a compass is kind of a cool thing. So what you need to do is you want to locate the midpoint of a line segment. So there's a procedure for doing that. So it says here, NOLA opens her compass so that the opening is more than half the length of the line. So there's the line here. So the first thing you have to do is you have to estimate the midpoint of the line. Well, the midpoint of the line is probably right there. So you would set your compass so that the opening of it from the point to your pencil goes a little bit past the center. You don't have to go too far past the center, okay? You just have to go past the center. The further you go past the center, the bigger the arc you're going to make, and you don't want to make a bigger arc than is necessary. Okay, so number 2, NOLA places the point of the compass on point A, and she draws a large arc that starts above the line and ends below the line. So you can see there's number 2. She put it on A, and she drew this arc. Okay, you can see that she's past the midpoint here a little bit. She drew the arc. Now, number 3, she places the point of the compass at point B without changing the compass radius. You have to have the same size opening, and you put the point on point B, and you make another arc above the line and below the line, okay, as you can see in the drawing here. Step number 4, you just take your straight line, your ruler, and you join the points where the arc intersects. Now the arc intersects above the line here and intersects below the line there. You just take your ruler and you draw a straight line, straight as you can right through there, and that point right there is the exact midpoint of that line. It's kind of a simple thing to do. It's kind of cool, where you don't even need to use a ruler to find the exact midpoint. Okay? So 5, measure to confirm that the line passes through the midpoint of AB. So take your ruler and just check it. Okay, and go ahead and do some practice and have some fun with the compass and find some midpoints of the lines.